Hello everyone and welcome in. I'm Taffany and we're back at it again today. My husband Chris is going to get more of the mulching done. He's going to start here in the courtyard garden and just kind of go around the yard and try to get all of this done. He's a little shy about being on camera, so he did not film every section that he did, but we are going to give you an overall view of everything once it's done. So give him an extra thumbs up for even daring to get on camera. Well, guys, as you can see, it is all done. It looks fresh and clean, and it makes the flowers pop. I do see that he has covered some of the flowers with the mulch, so unless they get uncovered, they're not going to survive. But overall, it looks good, and I always love a freshly mulched bed. It just really brings the garden together, makes it look neat, well cared for, and all of that. And looking at my little seedlings there, the little yellow zinnia, well, they were little yellow zinnia seedlings. They are so much bigger now. I'm loving that. And the Mexican heather is taking in well in its new location. The grass definitely needs to be mowed. Everything needs to be edged and trimmed, but it's looking good. I am happy that the mulch is down here in the back garden. So now what's left is the side gardens and the front gardens. So that is his next task. But look at this. When you come into the bedroom garden, everything looks so good. There's weeds everywhere, and that's driving me crazy as I look at the clips. But what can I do? What can I do? I'm just happy that this heavy duty work is done, because me trying to do all of those bags myself, I don't know that I would have been able to do it by myself. So yes, definitely thankful. And it took him a few days to get it done. And he had come up short with some bags once he did that very back section, which you'll see in just a little bit. He ran short of bags, so he had to go back and get some more so he could do the walkway bed that runs along the garage. But yes, he did finally manage to run to the store and get those, and everything's all done now. And look at Miss Tika. She has been, as usual, enjoying herself out in the garden. That is her favorite place to be. And this newly planted area, which we started working on this spring, look at it. Fully planted now, mulched, lots of weeds, but it's mulched. I like it. I like it. And the spinach is doing good. The spinach along the fence line here is doing really good. The spinach on the side where the garage is, I noticed that there's a little bit more struggle with that. And I'm sure that's because it has been raining so much there, and the rain is pouring off of the garage and kind of beating down on it since there is no gutter. But, you know, there's not too much we can do about that. But just looking at this courtyard garden as a whole, I'm so happy that it's come so far this season. And looking at the yard overall, it looks so much better with the mulch. I'm happy. I love the way that walkway looks there too. And guys, this is a big thanks to my husband, Chris, because he really did not want to get on camera, but he is doing this to help me out while I'm away. So I appreciate it. He's shy to be on camera, and he's just not really interested in, getting on camera and doing all of this stuff. So thank you for getting out of your comfort zone to get the mulch down for me. We have the front and side gardens left to do, and he's going to do some planting for me. So look for those videos coming up as well. Give him an extra thumbs up in this video. And I want to thank you guys for joining me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.